Hi there! This is Taylor and Brandi from the Freeport Community Library, and today we're going to show you how to make first a bookmark and second a keychain that looks like a lizard using the beads that you picked up today at the library for the Beading Frenzy Grab-and-Go. So to start, Brandi's going to show you how to make the bookmark. First, she split up her beads, some that she will reserve for the top of the bookmark and some for the bottom. And first she just put a knot in the string and started stringing those first set of beads onto the string. Then she is tying a knot right above those beads. What you're trying to do is creating space in the middle of the string so that it will sit in your book and the beads will stick out of the book. You'll see at the end. So next she's going to skip a portion of the string once she has those beads on there securely and start tying those second set of beads on. A good way to tell if you've left enough string for the bookmark to fit in the book is grab the book that you would like to use the bookmark in that's handy and measure it out like Brandi did here. Now she's tying a knot at the top of the bookmark and is going to slide the last beads onto there and the knot on top of that. And that's pretty much it. To finish your bookmark, just knot the top and then snip off any excess thread. Now this is just an example. You can keep going with as many beads as you want. Just have fun with it and find a bookmark that fits your style. Now we're going to show you how to create a lizard keychain. For this craft, you're going to need wire, beads, and a keychain. And Brandi here is laying out the beads that she is going to use in the pattern she wants. Feel free to do this too, or you can just wing it. The first step is to take your wire and fold it in half. You're going to be tying the wire onto the keychain. It's pretty simple. Just find the middle of your wire, pull the loop through the keychain, and then your ends through the loop. And pull it tight. Now you're going to thread the beads onto the wire. Brandi's doing this with the beads on her left side, but you can do the right if you prefer that. Take your first bead and thread it onto the left side, and then take your right wire, stick it through the bead, and pull both sides evenly. Pull it tight. That's your first row. Your second row is going to have 2 beads on it. Brandi here is pulling it extra tight to make sure it's in the position that she wants. Now do the same thing with your 2 beads. Thread those onto the left side, and then when you have them threaded, grab your right wire, stick it through the beads, and then hold on to both ends and pull them evenly and tightly. Keep doing this for 2 more rows. The next row, for Brandi at least, depending on your design, yours might be different, but for Brandi's pattern, the next one is going to be 1 green bead, 1 blue bead, and then a green bead. So 3 beads total, and the green beads are the eyes of the lizard. So she's going to thread the green on, then the blue, then the green on the left side, take the right side, thread that through, hold both ends, pull evenly and tightly again. Once you have your head and your neck done, you're going to do a row that will have 2 legs on it with toes. The legs are going to be blue and the toes are going to be green for this pattern. All you do is thread on your blue beads with your 3 green toe beads, and then take the same left hand wire that you were working with, skip over the green beads, and thread that wire back through the blue beads. And that's going to complete your left side leg. Now, to do the other side leg, Brandi actually flipped her keychain over so that she's just still working with that left hand string. And she threads those blue beads on first, and then the green, and then takes that same wire, skips over the green beads, and threads back through the blue again. And that will be your other side leg. And congratulations, you have done the trickiest part of the lizard making. If you can do these techniques, you can definitely finish the second half. Next, you're going to want to work on the torso of the lizard, which, depending on your pattern, could be 3 beads per row, 4, 5, or a mixture of the 3 if you would like kind of a curvy shape. And then don't forget to do another set of legs. And then to finish off your lizard, just do single beads for each row to make your tail and tie it up at the end. So that's it. You made your lizard keychain. Nice job!